Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to delete a blank page on Google Docs, then this video is for you. So right now I'm going to create a blank page here just like this. Now if you want to delete a blank page, then you have to do is simply go to the blank page here just like this and hit Ctrl plus backspace just like this. When you only click on this backspace button on your keyboard, it will also delete that blank page from here. So if you have blank page and you have just added something like non-printed, like here, let me show you. Insert and the format here. You have to simply click on view here and simply click on show non-printed, where you can find a page break here. So if you have a page break, you have to simply go to that blank page here and place your cursor before this symbol here. Also you can select this symbol here and you can hit place it at the before here and hit the backspace, and it will delete the page from here. Also you can do is you can simply insert a page break. Already I have shown you if there is a page break, here it is, or if there is a section break just like this for the next page here, then you actually can delete that page here. So if I click backspace, then it won't delete the page, otherwise it delete this word from here. So you have to do is simply click on this here and sorry for that, you have to simply place on your this cursor here and hit the enter button, and you can find this from here, and you have to also add this from here just like this. Now you have to do is, if you find this one here, so you can do is hit enter, again hit enter, and you have to simply click on this again here. So for example, you write something here and you have to do is select all of this, right? And when you find this writing plus this symbol is selected, hit backspace, and you can see the section break and the blank page is also deleted from here. Also you can turn off the section break from here, where you can find insert and break, and you can turn off the section break from here just like this. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.